Daddy's got something for you. Daddy's got something for you.
There it is. There's a little small.
What's it say?
So.
What's it say?
Really? What?
Going. What's that say? Me too.
Oh my God!
You're going to Disney World? Are you going to Disney World now? Look at Mommy. Is she with the pin?
Is that where you're going, baby?
Oh my!
Are we?
Are we really? Are you inviting us?
Do you remember that?
Oh my!
Well, let's go. We're really close
Take
to
your
Disney World.
earplugs
Let's go
off.
see Mickey
Earphones
Mouse.
off.
Take those.
Oh,
Take them off.
This is gonna be
I wonder if Tigger will be there.
a blast. He is.
Cinderella?
I bet they're waiting for
Here, we'll put it on
Lily
your shirt.
too.
Here, I'll put it on you.
Oh my gosh, Lily!
Look at John
Congratulations!
David's
I'm so happy for you. You're gonna have a wonderful time.
Now let me stick you.
I love you, John David. What does yours say?
Lily, do you know why we're showing this to you?
Oh, for heaven's sakes. Here, we'll put yours on.
That's where we're going.
Here, I'll help
Don't
you.
move, baby.
Got a sharp pin. Let me
going
put it on.
there again?
Yes.
Right now?
We're gonna
Right
camp
now.
there.
Wait, we're gonna camp?
Come on.
Yes, we're gonna camp there.
Disney World.
Are you?
All of us are.
What do you think of that?
Gonna have
What's yours say, buddy? Me too. It says me too.
True. And you know what? It's not that.
What do you think about that, Lily? We're going to Disney World for your birthday. How's that for a surprise? Is that okay if you miss school for that? Yeah, don't play up to the camera.